Best Performance Cars for 2024-2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio. In the realm of performance cars, the 2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio stands out as a masterpiece, captivating enthusiasts with its blend of raw power, precision handling, and unmistakable Italian flair. As anticipation builds for the latest releases in 2024, the Giulia Quadrifoglio emerges as a frontrunner among the best performance cars of the year, setting a new standard for exhilarating driving experiences. From the moment it graces the road, the Giulia Quadrifoglio makes a bold statement with its striking design. Its sleek lines, muscular curves, and aggressive stance exude a sense of athleticism and elegance, while its iconic triangular grille and sleek LED headlights reflect Alfa Romeo's rich heritage. Every detail, from the carbon fiber accents to the quad exhaust tips, is meticulously crafted to optimize both aerodynamics and aesthetics. Beneath the surface, the Giulia Quadrifoglio is powered by a potent twin-turbocharged V6 engine, delivering breathtaking performance and responsive acceleration. With Alfa Romeo's DNA Pro Drive Mode Selector and advanced chassis control system, the Quadrifoglio offers precise handling and dynamic agility, allowing drivers to unleash its full potential on both the track and the street. But the Giulia Quadrifoglio isn't just about raw power, it's also designed to provide a luxurious and refined driving experience. The interior is adorned with premium materials, Italian craftsmanship, and cutting-edge technology features, ensuring that every journey is as comfortable as it is exhilarating. From the Alcantara-trimmed seats to the state-of-the-art infotainment system and driver assistance technologies, the Quadrifoglio offers a seamless blend of performance and luxury. As one of the best performance cars for 2024, the Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering and design. Its combination of breathtaking performance, Italian passion, and refined luxury sets it apart from the competition, reaffirming Alfa Romeo's position as a leader in the performance car segment. In a market filled with contenders, the 2023 Alfa Romeo Giulia Quadrifoglio stands out as a true icon, a symbol of Alfa Romeo's commitment to performance, heritage, and innovation. With its blend of power, precision, and passion, the Quadrifoglio continues to captivate drivers around the world, solidifying its place among the best performance cars of 2024 and beyond.